Hello, beautiful people. Just want to give you an overview of what we're going to be doing on Monday, April 6th. First thing I need us to do is to take attendance, so mark yourself as present. Side note, my birthday is April 5th. Best gift in the whole wide world will be if I don't have any more makeup work to grade by then, and if I don't have to email anyone to say, please mark yourself as here. That'd be dope. But other things that you might want to know. Your agenda for Monday is number one, do attendance. Can't emphasize that part enough. Number two, watch the 7.5 video notes. Number three, complete this book assignment. It's not a long one. It should not take 2 hours to do. It should not take 1 hour to do. Please do that. And then I would like for you to upload your work to this assignment by 3 p.m. So there's not going to be a PowerPoint slide or Google Slides for you guys to upload your work on. Just do it directly to this assignment. I don't want to see your notes. I just want you to submit your work here. If you need help, I'll be available in the Zoom room from 1:30 to 2:30. Now, on this day, I will not accept any late work. So start it at noon, and then you'll probably finish by 2 o'clock. But you still have an extra buffer of an hour just in case. So have a great weekend. Enjoy it. It's great seeing some of you guys on our assembly today. Miss you guys. So take care.